Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on something really cool. We're installing a superkilometer filter on this beautiful Aston Martin DB12. You can grab yours from our website, superkilometerfilter.com. Installation? Super easy. Let me show you. So, on the passenger side, just above the footrest area, you'll find a set of system connectors. That's where the action happens. We're going to locate this specific connector. It's the one responsible for the speedometer. Now we just plug in the SKF device harness, tuck the software module somewhere safe and out of the way, and that's it. We're done. From now on, the device activates automatically. But if you want to change modes, deactivate or reactivate the system, just press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. You'll see the hazard lights flash, and that's how you know the device is responding. Here's how the modes work. Mode 1, 10 to 20% of the actual mileage is counted. Mode 2, 0% to 2% of the actual mileage is counted. Mode 3, 100% of the actual mileage is counted. The module is deactivated, and everything works as usual. And that's all there is to it. Just a small reminder, for public use or sale, the original mileage must be correctly recorded and restored to its original condition. Good luck with the install. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.